In this video, we will demonstrate how to assemble the trim kit for the model 1933-60S. First, you'll need to build the platform. The width of the cutout needs to be 56 9/10 of an inch. The depth from the wall to the front of the platform needs to be 28 1/5 of an inch. The height from the floor to the bottom of the platform needs to be 7 4/5 of an inch. The platform needs to stick out of 1 1/5 of an inch from the cabinet and needs a height of 1 1/5 of an inch. The height of the cutout needs to be 63 inch. You'll need a minimum of 10 inch of clearance on the top to be able to install the top grille. You'll need 2 inch of clearance on each side. It's important to cut out 2 openings of 15 inch by 15 inch on the floor of the platform and also 2 openings of 15 inch by 4 inch for a proper air circulation. When installing the outer frame, it's important that the L-shaped cut sits on the platform. Make sure both outer frames are leveled before installing the top grille. Plug in the first unit and install it on the platform. It's important that the hinge cover slides in the dedicated opening. Install the adhesive fixed bar on the edges of both units. Plug in the second unit. Install the second unit as previously. Install the bottom grille. Install the decorative partition. The frame of both units should be flush with the top grille, with both hinge cover in their dedicated slots. The bottom grille should be slightly elevated, making sure both lower door hinge are in their dedicated slots. The frame of the units should be flush with the external frame, leaving enough room for opening the doors. The bottom grille will extend themselves to be flush with the doors. This completes the installation.